It's a very floppy pizza again, this one. Real fun is going to start. Look at this. This is what you call busy. This area, this is insanity. The beautiful lantern boats there. Ladies here selling all of the lanterns. People just sat along the sides here. There's live music on in there. People have the pictures taken with the lanterns here. This is the name of the place. Live performance on there. Good evening from Hoi An here in Vietnam. So it's just before 7 p.m. I've come to a restaurant that I noticed on the street walking around the Old Town area earlier in the day. It's a place called Burger Craft. So it does primarily specialise in burgers, obviously given the name. However, it also has a pizza menu as well with some sort of like very unique flavoured pizza. In tonight's video, I've already had a burger for lunch today, so I'm actually going to have a pizza, order a pizza this evening. I'm just going to stick with the traditional margherita pizza. There's lots of other options on the menu, so I'm going to sample a pizza here first of all. I think the margherita pizza is 180,000 Vietnam dong, so I'll have a drink with my meal also. And then after I've finished eating here, it's going to be a short food video. I'm going to take a walk around the old town area and just show you how busy this place really is at this current moment in time. Okay, so here's the place where I'm going to have dinner this evening. Burger Craft, craft burgers, craft beer. So parking for your motorbike at the front if you're coming by motorbike. Collection of little tables here. Menu is here as well. Just show you that when I'm sat down. 12k wings Tuesday and Friday, 5 till 11 p.m. This is where I'm going to be sitting here. This is inside the restaurant, air conditioned. Let's just slide the door and take you around and show you inside. So we have a nice little seating area here. Some pictures and things on the wall here. There's a seating area in the back there. And we also have a bar area as well. Okay, so here's the pizzas menu. So I've just ordered the margherita, which is 180,000. A few other different types of pizza available there. Not sure whether we can really see them. It's a little bit dark here. Have some chicken wings as well there, 160,000 for 9 wings. And then here's the drinks. So I've just had a iced tea for drink, 35k. Lots of alcohol and things on there as well. Other drinks. Beers. Many different drinks on there. And I think this is what it's popular for, but I've already had a burger for lunch, so I don't feel like burger. There's the burgers, cheeseburger. I'll maybe come back and try these veggie burgers, smash burgers. Lots of different burgers available on there. Chicken and pork. So here's my drink just arrived. This is classified as an iced tea on the actual menu itself. It's come like as foo's tea, lemongrass. Have a straw provided as well. Let's give it a go. It's my first time trying this. That's actually quite nice. I'm not a big fan of Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite, drinks like that because of all the gas in them. But that's actually quite a smooth drink. So she has given me a plate to actually put the pizza on. However, this looks as though it's going to be a bit of a floppy pizza again. Yes, it is. It's a very floppy pizza again, this one. So it's definitely mozzarella cheese. You can taste the tomato coming through in the pizza. I wouldn't say it's a great pizza, but it's okay. Okay, so I've just finished my pizza now here at the Craft Burger restaurant place. So the pizza, I'm just going to give it an okay. It was what it was. It was just a margherita pizza, a little bit of mozzarella cheese on it, was a tomato puree, pizza base. Didn't look as though it had been in the oven for too long, but it was okay. It's 180,000 Vietnam dong. And I'm not going to say it's bad because it wasn't, but I'm just going to give it an okay. So now I'm going to head out onto the street and just show you how the vibe is and how busy this area really is here in the Old Town in Hoi An. Okay, so just leaving Burger Craft, there is quite a bit on this street itself. We have Moon Milk, Tanner Binner 2 Hotel in the yellow across the street. A few places here. However, in tonight's video, I'm going to be heading into the heart of the Old Town area. There's little restaurants on the side of the street here. This is a beautiful area up here. I'm just going to take you in the back and show you. This is what it is. Look, this lily pond in front, you know, the beautiful, whether it's a temple or whatever in the back there. So nice. Just over from that here, have a very, very popular restaurant as well here. Lots of tourists in there. Wow. Just look how busy it is on the street. Lots of tourists, lots of shops, people shopping, people spending money, people eating. Lots going on here. This is what busy is. Walking up here, quite busy as well in the local little restaurants. This is a very popular, busy one in here. It's very, very busy inside there. Wow. Gotta cross the river now, across this bridge. I'm going to keep the camera rolling and see how busy this is, this area. This is insanity. So this is the bridge across the river where all the lantern boats are located. The beautiful lantern boats there. Many, many in the distance here. So there we are, just to show you in Hoi An.
Oh, not about it. Horrifying.
Okay, it's just taken me 5 minutes to walk across the bridge. Over on the other side now. Just want to show you all the lantern ladies here selling all of the lanterns. There we are. Vietnamese, lots of them along here. Just look how many people are out here. It's insane. I'm going to take you and show you some of these bars now with the live entertainment. People just sat along the sides here. There's live music on in there. Wow. Look how busy it is here. People have the pictures taken with the lanterns here. Many along here. This is the name of the place. Live performance on there. This is a place called Morning Glory. How busy that is in there. Every restaurant full. Lots of people on the street here. All the restaurants, the Vietnamese restaurant there, super busy. Cocktails, buy one get one free. There's a spa there. There's a spa girls at the front here. Wow. Look at how busy the spas are as well. Customers queuing up. So many in there. This is the place to be now. Beautiful tiger bar, this one's called. Ice cream roll. Just look how busy that is again in there. Super busy. Upstairs seating areas as well. Wow. Irish pub and sports bar, this one. Lanterns, so beautiful. The massage spa there, again very busy inside. One here, very busy again. It's called Wanderlust.
Shoot my shadow when you say, oh, now stand by me, baby.
Shamrock Irish pub. How busy this is. This is busy. Wow. Cocktails, big size, 79. Wow, next door's empty. All the floating lantern boats there. How amazing is this? Just look how many there are. Another busy restaurant here again. Lots of Western tourists in there. Lots of different nationalities here. This guy's got the pancake, banana Nutella. Wow, just look at this, insanity. Another very busy restaurant in there again. Wow. Every street you're walking down, this is coming into the night market area now, but everywhere is just so busy. Another big, full, busy restaurant here. Wow. And now we're at the night market. Ice cream rolls there. Ice cream. Banana pancake, rice paper. And sweet corn as well. Sausage. And this is the night market area. Lots of things here again available. Look at those, very unique. Wow. I'm going to do this in a separate video. We're just giving a brief look in tonight's video. Just want to show you how busy this place is. And I think this is where we're going to end the video. Lots of the bags and things again available here. Coach, wallets, bags, Dior, some unique things. And this is where I'm going to end tonight's video. You'll see with your eyes, this is a busy place.